Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we are going to go over how you would replace your side marker light on the tail of your vehicle or the back end. And so to start with, you'll just need to pop the hatch, and once you pop the hatch or trunk, then we have to go into the trunk compartment. Back here in the trunk compartment we have a little cover here on this side, as well as the other side would be the same. This is the left side. So what you need to do is you just put a tab, put a small screwdriver or your non-marring tool right in there, and it'll push these tabs up, and then you'll be able to release this cover. And then right here behind this cover we have the access to the side marker light. We have 3 here, and we want to go for the third one. This is your brake light, turn indicator, and then your side marker light. So I'm going to twist that a quarter turn to the left, be able to pull this light bulb out, the housing, and then we have the light bulb to be replaced. This light bulb here is a W5W, and so you'd get a new one of those or equivalent, and then be able to insert it in the light socket there, plug it in, snap it into place, and then be able to reinstall by lining the tabs up and turn that a quarter turn to the right to put that into place. And then once you're done with all that, we can snap this cover back into place, and that would be how you would replace your side marker light on the tail end of your vehicle of your CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.